In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Raylib on your Windows computer and use it with C++ and Visual Studio Code. The procedure is very easy and it won't take us more than 5 minutes. So let's start at once. First of all, we are going to download Visual Studio Code by Microsoft, a free, very fast and very powerful code editor. You can download it from this link. Select the installer for Windows 64-bit. After the download is complete, all we have to do is to install it just like any other software. After installing Visual Studio Code, we have to open it and click on the Extensions button, which is right here. So we search for C, C++, and we install the C, C++ for Visual Studio Code extension by Microsoft. This extension will allow us to use C++ with Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a code editor, so it does not contain a compiler or a debugger. That's something we have to keep in mind because we are going to need both a compiler and a debugger later. Now let's download the Raylib library. All we have to do is to visit this website and click on the download button here. You can donate if you want to support the developers of the library, but you can also download the library without donating. Now we have to choose the Raylib 4.2 Windows installer with the MinGW compiler. Be careful here, we need the compiler. When we run the downloaded file, we get a warning from Windows. We have to click More Info and click on the Run Anyway button. Now the installation begins. After the installation is complete, in your C drive, you are going to find a Raylib folder where all the required files are located. This folder also includes a compiler and a debugger, so we don't need to install them separately. Another step is complete. The last step is to visit my GitHub repository and download a template C++ project that uses the Raylib library. This sample project will help you get started at once. I have included all the C++ files and all the settings required to work with Raylib, including the settings for the compiler and the debugger. If you find this repository helpful, give it a star so more people can learn about it and save some time when installing Raylib. Now all we have to do is to extract the .zip file on our computer. Let's unzip it on the desktop. We can use this folder as a starting point for every new Raylib project we do. Everything is set up and ready to use. Now, inside the folder, we're going to find a main.code workspace file. We just have to double-click on it or open it with Visual Studio Code. We have to click Yes, I trust the authors button if prompted, and we are good to go. Inside the workspace, you can see all the files here. I have included a main.cpp file with a simple demo program. Just press F5 to run it. A bouncing ball will appear, which means Raylib works on our computer. Well done! It was easy, wasn't it? If you want to learn more about Raylib and how to use it, please subscribe to my channel as I'll post more tutorials on Raylib. It is a fantastic library. I have created a detailed Pong game tutorial using Raylib. It will teach you all the basics in just a few minutes. Click here now to watch it. It will help you a lot. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.